What we got today?
We're gonna wrap this fit. We're gonna make a red car purple, per Dan's request.
Can't make his mind up, dude. It's a red car wants a purple.
It should be okay.
I feel that. I feel that.
Purple's good.
Purple is good. So this is Dan's Sundae Cup car. He races at Grid Life. And I'm already jonesing for one myself, so it's not gonna be an easy day for me.
How do you think you pop the gas door? Nice. Nice.
Got a chop shop update.
Yeah, we're getting the good stuff off to get sold quick. Cut the rest of it in half later. What's bleaking in here?
Ah, fuck. Does he have a tracker on us?
Look, I found that other bolt for the headlight.
Oh, perfect. What kind of animal crackers you fuck with? Plain or the frosted ones?
I like the plain ones.
I like the plain ones.
Frosted, y'all fucking serial killers.
See, I think most girls like the frosted ones. I don't. We be eating them plain.
Y'all weird. Boys do weird things.
Boys are weird.
That's true. Y'all weird people.
Yeah, we had to call the reinforcements in.
We had to. Mike's an old head. He's done all this, you know? Oh, shit. I gotta go back to work. I like that color. What's it? Is that like the passion? Is that what it's called?
This is
It's
plum.
It's plum.
Explosion. You hold
That's
it. For
it.
a second so I can grab my magnets.
Dude, my dad, he had a purple F-150. The technical color was plum.
Yeah.
It was super rare. I was like, nice purple truck. He's like, it's plum. And then I bought it years later, and now I really miss it. It's so sick.
Alright, I'm watching the first panels because I need to get the clips. We'll work together later, you know? I went harder on the teardown, you know?
For sure.
I had the handles, they hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the idea is you start with this high because it's going to drop down, and in order to get the door pieces and the side skirt piece, you have to basically cut along this top line in anticipation of this coming down, and then you're going to cut higher than the skirt here. So when everything moves, it sits into place right. And that way you can still cut doors out. Then you start forward, or do you start backward? I don't know.
You did tell me you fuck this up sometimes.
I do every time, at least one of the sides, and then I know how to do it for the next time.
Good hands.
So, if I cut this along the door line, then when I scoot the whole thing forward, it'll fall in and I'll have enough room to wrap into the jamb. So you don't see red when the door moves.
right, day 2, you ready to get it?
Day 2, we're gonna get after it. We gotta finish this thing
Honestly,
before 6 o'clock.
yeah, because I gotta get going. I gotta drive home to St. Louis still. All right, started putting it back together though. We already got mirrors on, putting trim on. He's getting ready to wrap the back wing. We're gonna do the roof.
We're gonna do the roof in a different color. Dan doesn't know it yet.
He doesn't know it yet. We made a decision on our own.
Executive decision.
Yeah.
It should look good.
Break up the purple a little bit with some, what was the color? The
Ember black.
Cool.
So it's got purple, it's got like red, gold, purple flake in it.
Oh, that'll be sick.
Yeah, it should be good.
Nice. All right, so let's get to it. All right, we're almost done with the car. Bwagg's gonna wrap the bumper real quick, and then I like adding window tint. Gives it some like contrast, you know, some black contrast. So I'm gonna use 20%, and we're putting on Autobahn. That's why I use it in my shop. That's what I like. So to do the back window, because it's so curved, so like on any car you have to do this, but I should get on the outside first. So you put it on here, and you do like an H pattern, and then you use the heat gun to like conform it to the curve and the round of the like round shape of the window. Otherwise, if you went to stick it on, it would never actually like lay. You'd have all these like little fingers in it. So I just shrank it. Now I'm gonna stick it on really quick. We did 20% on the whole car. I think it was some like, it's pretty cool. Now it has like more contrast to it. I like the black roof we decided on too. So it's looking good. We're almost done. Bwagg's gonna do the front bumper, and I gotta put the door handles in. So we're good.
The autofocus helps a lot.
Isn't that cool? All right, we're finished. I mean, we've been drinking these throughout the install. It wasn't like these are just because
now
we're done.
they're relaxing.
But now we are done.
Not work beers anymore.
Not bad, dude. Only
Not
2
bad.
days, and we fucked off a lot.
Yeah, now we get to enjoy our Labor Day beers.
Yeah,
Not bad.
it's good.
We all fucked up.
We all fucked up a little bit.
All right, that's it. That's a weekend.
That's a good
I got to
weekend.
go back to St. Louis.
Yeah, you gotta leave,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
I'll be back in 2 weeks. I think it's 2.
2.5.
For No Star Bash, 2.5.
2.5.
Round up. All right. Well, if you're not subscribed to Bitchin' TV, then fuck you. We're out.